passing. So, as the name suggests, token passing means what? In real life, also, many times we see in this token passing. Wherever we want to stand in queue at the time, maybe some token is there. Let's say if we are going to post office, then some token is there. We will issue the token and then sit and we will wait for our time to come, right? So, same way, in network also, some token is moving on, and through this token passing, simply you are booking your turn, right? So same thing. But before we start token passing, I want to explain basic terminologies or basic conversion that may be helpful during token passing. So first one is bits. Many times, most of the time, propagation time is given in seconds, right? But let's say if propagation time is given in bits, then what we are supposed to do? So let's say in this example, propagation time is equal to 10 bits. Basically, if they are giving 10 bits means what? Time taken by 10 bits to travel from the source to destination. That we can call as 10 bits. Now, time taken to transmit from station A to station B is 10 bits, right? If propagation time is given in terms of bits, not in terms of second. Now, during this token passing, if you want to convert this, so what we are supposed to do, if propagation time is given in bits, then you have to bits to second conversation, you have to simply divide it with bandwidth, right? So if you do second divided by bandwidth, then my bits is converted in seconds. I'll take example, don't worry. If you are not clear with this concept, then also I'll take the example. But simply here I'm explaining the theory. So reverse also you can do here, through from 10 bits I want second, right? So simply if I divide bits multiply by bandwidth, then it will give me seconds, right? Next thing, propagation time, many times it is given in meters, not in second, but meters. At that time, what you are supposed to do, if you want to convert meter through second, then you have to divide it by velocity. So simple. If I want to describe it in two lines, then meter to second conversation as well as second to bit conversation. How can I do it, right? So if I want to convert it from meter to second, then simply this arrow represents, simply I have to divide it by velocity. If I divide meter by velocity, then it will give me second. Next thing, if I want to convert bit through second, so I have to divide it with bandwidth. Then it will give me seconds, right? Reverse. If I want to convert second into bit, then simply I have to multiply with bandwidth. And reverse. If I want to convert second to meter, then I have to multiply with velocity. Maybe it is not clear. I'll take one example, and then this concept will be more clear to you. First one is, how many meters is 10 bits equivalent to bandwidth 4 Mbps and velocity of signal is 2 into 10 raised to 8? Means simply you have to convert it in meters. How many meters is 10 bits? So bits is given equivalent to bandwidth 4 Mbps. So bandwidth is also given, and velocity. Here velocity is also given, right? Velocity of the signal is 2 into 10 raised to 8. So what, in this example, what is given? Meter we have to derive, velocity is given, bandwidth is given, and bit is given, right? So simple. First we have to convert bit and bit through second, and second through meter. Likewise we have to convert, right? So first, through this representation, what you can identify, bit divided by bandwidth. If I'll do, then I'll get seconds, right? Bit divided by bandwidth. So 10 bits divided by bandwidth, if I'll do, then I'll get seconds, right? So 10 bits divided by 4 Mbps. Now, here from second to meter, if I want to convert, then simply I have to multiply with velocity, right? So multiply by velocity. First part, bit bit multiply by by bandwidth, then I'll get second, and then second multiply by velocity. Sorry, bit divided by bandwidth, then I'll get second, and second divided by velocity, then I'll get meter, right? So same thing I did over here. 10 multiply by 4 Mbps. So this is bit divided by bandwidth, and here divide multiply by velocity. So velocity is already given 2 into 10 raised to 8. So if I simplify it, then I'll get 10 bits is equal to 500 meters. It is not a global value, but it is in terms of whatever is given. This Mbps, this velocity is given according to it. My 10 bits is equal to 500 meters. I hope this basic concept is clear to you. Simple. Whenever I am doing this, I am applying this token passing concept. What is token passing? I'll discuss in next video. But before this, I want to clear this bit concept. If propagation time is in bit, in meter, so how can I convert it? So simply, if I want to convert meter to second, then I have to divide it by velocity. Second, bit to second, then I have to divide it by bandwidth, and reverse accordingly, right? So I hope it is clear to you. Thank you.